Hey guys, welcome to my channel FBqueen Home Decor. If you are new, do subscribe and press the bell icon to get more latest updates of home decor. Some people have a natural eye for design, but if you're more in the camp of those who won't do anything without consulting a Pinterest board or 10 before making any major changes, we feel you. Even those of us who live and breathe interior design need some inspiration and guidance. In an ideal world, we have an interior designer on a speed dial to give advice on everything from deciding where and how to hang the wall art to fashioning a layout for a small space. But if that's not in the budget yet, we have got the next best thing. The best tip and trick from some of the most talented designers out there. I had dive into a secret state from the pros that will help you with all your decorating needs. You love finding new design tricks, so do we. Let us share the best of them. Remodeling your home can be a daunting task. You want to make sure the changes you make are ones that will stand the test of time and transform your space into something you love. With so many different design styles to choose from, it's hard to know where to start. Luckily, we have compiled a list of hundreds interior design ideas that are sure to transform your home. If you are looking for some interior design ideas to make your home look amazing, you have come to the right place. In this video, we will share hundreds plus great ideas that can you use to give your home a fresh new look. Whether you are looking to update your living room, kitchen, or bedroom, we have got you covered. So let's get started. With something as simple as an ancient wall, a colorful light bulb, or new throw pillow, or 47 others home decor ideas. If those aren't up your redecorating alley, your entire space can feel fresh, on trend but timeless and refined. You can tackle each of these decorating ideas in one day, even though the result will look like it took way longer to pull off. Let us share the best of them. Number 1. Start up a cozy reading spot. No designated reading nook, no problem. If your home doesn't have any leftover real estate to convert into a reading nook, design your formal living room to serve double duty as a cozy long area. Number 2. Don't be afraid of black paint. The soft black paint color in this bedroom make it feel special and initiate matte in a way you had never been able to achieve with a lighter hue. This specific shade is a Pharaoh and Bold Valley. Number 3. Style and empty fireplaces. Rethink how you style an empty fireplace. In this texture-rich environment, interior design, Lane Ford turned an empty fireplace into a little gallery to display poetry and artwork. Number 4. Treat your windows. Adding the right window treatment can make all the differences. Number 5. Restyle a bookshelf. From the inky stained wood to the modern side chair and clean lined leather. Number 6. Set up a breakfast nook. Breakfast with a view. We are in. This one is country chic and just a touch rustic but still polished. Number 7. Spruce up your entire way. If you don't have a grand foyer, or you do but it needs some love, introduce a small console table for a formal yet modern aesthetic. for a traditional table and then hang modern abstract art above it. Number 9. Swap out your throw pillows. Throw pillows are the easiest way to freshen up the bedroom or living room. Introducing a new color, print, or shape with a throw pillow can make the whole space feel new again. Hope you like my tips. Do like and share with your friends.